Did that make you yawn as well, guys? You know they say yawning is very contagious. But now our day is ended and we are ready for bed. So let's just remove these lashes and get on with this facial routine. Hi guys. Okay, so step one in my facial routine, I'm just going in with this Biore Rose Quartz and Charcoal Purifying Cleanser. This is a great cleanser, guys, because of the charcoal, which I love. You know, with charcoal, it actually helps to deep clean your skin, cleaning out those pores, and that's what you want, okay? Because we do not want to accumulate any acne on our face, okay? So acne, be gone. All right, so with this cleanser, it has natural charcoal, known for its ability to draw out impurities and trap them, okay? So this is a number one go-to inexpensive product, okay? So yes, go and get you this Biore Purifying Cleanser. I'm using my paper towel, clean paper towel, to blot my face, to blot away that water. Listen, ladies, do not use a rag, okay? Not your wash rag. That's nasty. So now going in with my Shea Moisture Clarifying Mud Mask. And this mask is great for blemish prone skin. I do have a few blemishes along my cheekbone area, and I'm just massaging that mask in. I just wish I could just, rubbing this mask in, and after rinsing this off with warm water, all these blemishes would just be gone. Don't you just wish they had masks like that? Well, I do. Well, hello there. Welcome to my channel. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscription button down below, guys. And don't forget to like this video and also share this video with your friends and family. And thank you so much for tuning in once again. So I'm gonna allow this mask to stay on my skin for 10 minutes and wash this off with warm water after. Are the blemishes gone? Oh, let's see. Oh no, damn. They're still there. Okay, now I'm going in with my Ole Henriksen Dark Spot Toner. Yes, guys, I'm all about the dark spot removal, okay? All about the dark spot removal. So this is definitely, as you can see, the bottle is almost empty, okay? I'm using that toner. My face is actually cleared up, so this toner is definitely a must-have, all right? So I'm now applying that with a clean cotton pad, and I'm just using circular motions and applying that on my skin. Now listen, this eye cream works wonders. Okay, so for all my, no, not to be rude now, but for, as you can see, I use this eye cream a lot. Okay, it's half almost done. Okay, so I have to get another container, but for all my raccoon looking ladies out there, get you that eye cream. It works wonders. Okay, I'm not playing with you guys, it truly works. Okay, if you have dark spots, dark circles under your eyes, that this product actually removes all of that. Now, following up with my Ulla Henriksen moisturizer, because you know you need your moisturizer to put back that moisture in your face after using all those skincare products. And this as well is a go-to moisturizer that I usually use on my skin, and it does makes your skin feel nice, soft, and definitely glowing. I definitely can't go to bed without applying my Tatcha, guys. I need that dewy skin mist, okay? So I'm just misting that on my face and voila. And I always remember, never forget my Vaseline. Yes, guys, my Vaseline lip balm. So I just use that on my lips, and in the morning, ah, lips are soft as a baby's butt. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Good night.